Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jakia Sultana from Tajul Islam Adarsh Degree College, Bansarampur, Brahmanbaria. Today I have come in front of you with another class of English second paper. Today we will know about amazing grammatical structure. So let's go through the text, okay? The grammatical rule, grammatical structure which I discussed today, that is as soon as. As soon as. As soon as mean a very short time after. A very short time after. By using as soon as, we can make a complex sentence. You know, there are two clauses in complex sentence. Two clauses, and we using as soon as we will make any complex sentence, and the phrase as soon as will be set in front of the subordinate clause, because there are two clauses in complex sentence. One is principal clause and another is subordinate clause. And as soon as, the phrase of as soon as, the conjunction of as soon as will be set in front of the subordinate clause. Okay. And there are some other rules of using as soon as. That is, if we use as soon as, the two structure, the two clauses will be in the same tense. Notice this: the two clauses will be in the same tense. If the first clause is in present tense, then the second clause will be in the present tense. And if the first clause is in past tense, the second clause will be in the past tense. That means the two clauses will be in the same tense. Okay, there is a structure in this here structure: as soon as plus subject plus main verb. Subject plus main verb. That means as soon as and then one structure, and then the another structure, that is subject and main verb. And this main verb, if this main verb is in present tense, this main verb is also will be in present tense. And if this main verb is in past tense, this main verb is also will be in past tense. Now behold the example. You will be more clear if you notice the example. As soon as he got the news, he left the place. As soon as he got the news. That means got. Got is an example of past indefinite tense, and this is also in past indefinite tense. Notice this: he left the place. Left. It is also in the past form. Okay. And we will use as soon as in the starting of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. That means we can write the subordinate clause first and then the principal clause, or we can write the principal clause first and the subordinate clause in the next. Okay. Notice this: we will write as soon as here. As soon as he entered the class, everybody became silent. As soon as he came here, it is also past form, and he became silent, it is also in past form. They went away, it is also a past example of past indefinite, but here the phrase word as soon as is in the middle. That means the subordinate clause in the second part of the sentence. As soon as he reached home. Okay. So This is I have discussed today. I don't want to make more much larger the video today. I will soon come back with another grammatical structure in front of you. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.